fishing spot. Just going to chuck a few lines in and see what we get. Yeah, look at that Calvi. That's yeah, off you go. Teach you how to make a prawn trap for freshwater prawns. You just want to get the water bowl and cut through there, through the first gap. Like that. Then I just have some bacon here, so I could find in the fridge. Put a little bit of bacon. And put the top back in. That's how it's done. Okay, now it's ready and put it in the water. There's like a stick under here, which looks like prawns should hang out underneath there. I'm just going to try and put it in there. We'll come back and check it in like an hour.
1 hour later.
Just checking the tank. Can't see anything, but you never know. No, nothing. I reckon we'll leave him in there until we go.
Yeah.
If we catch anything more. Okay, we put another sack in here. I just want to check if we got anything for this one. No, nothing. I'm just going to put it back. See if we can get any details. Yeah. Go, 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 go.